up, down, all around. How are you, grade 3? How are you? Are you okay? It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Learning Simplified. Wow. Again, teacher in grade 3 fractions? Yes. In life, fractions apply in every situation. Okay? We want to talk about a half of a whole. What did you say a whole is? Yesterday, I introduced something and I told you something. What does a whole mean? A whole is a complete thing. When you're talking about, give me the whole orange, it's complete. A whole is a complete thing. And now, we want to talk about a half of a whole. What does a half mean? Look at me. What do I have here? I have a cutout. Which cutout is this? Teacher, it's a circular cutout. Very good. What about this one? A rectangular cutout. And this one? Still a bigger rectangular cutout. Then I decide I want to fold this circular cutout into 2 equal parts. Assuming this was an orange. Then, Mommy tells you, Janet, kindly take that orange and share it with your brother. You're only the 2 of you. This is the orange. Then you go and decide to do what? To share equally with your brother. So I have folded my orange into 2 equal parts. Then I decide the part that I'm going to give to my brother, I'm going to share orange. The part that I'm going to give to my brother, I'm going to share it orange. Very good. Now, this is how I shared the part that I'm going to give to my brother. It is an orange. So when I shared this part like this, it shows 2 equal parts shared between 2 people. So I decide my brother takes the orange part, I remain with 1 part. What will my brother get? What will my brother get? My brother will get 1 piece out of the 2 pieces. What will my brother get? My brother will get 1 piece out of how many? 2 pieces that I've shared the orange into? 2 pieces. So my brother will get 1 out of the 2 pieces that I have shared the orange in. How do we call this? This is what we said in grade 2. It is half. What is a half? A half is 1 part. What is a half? A half is 1 part of the 2 equal parts. 1 part of the 2 equal parts. Assuming it was a chocolate bar. Assuming it was a chocolate bar. Mommy said, can you share that chocolate with your brother? Then I decided to fold my chocolate to share the chocolate with my brother, and I decided to cut it into 2 equal parts. So I decided the part of chocolate is already brown. So I'm shading the part that I'm going to give to my brother. The chocolate bar that I'm going to give to my brother, I'm shading it brown. So this is the part that I'm going to give it to my brother. What can we say? What have I given my brother? What share of the chocolate will my brother get? My brother will get 1 piece of the shaded, of the divided equal parts. My brother will get 1 piece of the 2 equal parts. My brother will get 1 piece of the 2 equal parts. And that is what we say a half. That is what we say a half. Oh, our half has fallen down. Sorry. That is what we say a half. one piece of the equal parts. This half has refused to stand here. I don't know. Let me change this shirt. And it can be even a samosa. Our mother gives us a samosa and tells us, kindly share this samosa with your brother. What will you share? Assuming it was like this, and we are sharing the chocolate bar in the rectangular manner. What share will your brother get? What share will your brother get? Your brother will get half of the 2 parts. Your brother will get half of the 2 parts. Your brother will get half of the 2 parts. What if it was an apple like this one? You will still get half of the 2 equal parts. 1 part of the 2 equal parts. Okay? What if it was like this? It is still 1 part of the equal parts. This is what we call half, and it can appear in different dimensions. You can decide to make the triangle stand straight. You can decide to use the rectangular part of it. You can decide to cut it across. You can decide to cut it straight. But at the end of the day, it should be half of the 2 equal parts. Okay? These ones have refused to remain on the board. So someone says, draw the shapes below, then you divide each. Draw the shapes below, and you divide each into 2 equal parts. Divide each into 2 halves. So we have this one to be divided. We have this one to be divided. We have this one to be divided. So you've been told, draw the following shapes in your book and divide each one. It can be like this. I was forgetting. Diamond, heart. It can be a diamond. So you have been told to divide each one of them into 2 equal parts. If I was given the question, I will come and divide this into 2 equal parts. Then they've just said you divide it into 2 and color 1 part. That is my example. So you have the first one, the second one, and the third one to do it in your book. This one you can decide to cut it like that into 2 equal parts, and you color 1 part. Any question up to there? Any problem? Any problem? So if there is no any other question, I hope to see you in the next lesson, and I wish you the very best.